Did your Samsung battery icon suddenly change after the latest update? Don't worry, your phone isn't broken. Samsung simply changed the battery percentage display, and many users are confused. Here's how to get it back in just a few seconds. Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to bring back the battery percentage on your Samsung Galaxy phone. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Then tap on Status bar. Here, look for Show Battery Percentage. If it's turned off, simply turn it on. That's it! Your battery percentage will instantly appear in the status bar. The latest Samsung update removed the battery percentage from beside the battery icon. If you still don't see it, make sure your phone is running the latest software, then restart your device once. That usually fixes the issue. And that's how you can restore the battery percentage after the latest Samsung update. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.